California. So back in late fall, I did a 1-day golf edit. Now I'm gonna do a 1-day ski edit here. Now that we're in the middle of what's supposed to be winter here in Michigan. I got some decent lighting right here before it gets a little dark out in the parking lot. Figured I'd start us off that way. Getting ready to head to Boyne Mountain. About a 3-hour trip up north, directly north of us. In the Jeep Gladiator. Let's go. Hey guys, just want to take 2 seconds to thank Mr. Peter Rennie, hope I'm pronouncing his last name right, for the deal over at Boyne Country Sports on the full tilt Descendant 100s. These boots are no joke. They are so comfy. They hold up so well so far. Granted, I've only been on 2 trips with them. When we went to Lake Tahoe. I'll put a little link so you guys can check that video out. I think it's a pretty decent video myself. You guys find out yourself, you tell me. And then today's first day riding Boyne. First day riding since our trip to Lake Tahoe. So anyway, the reason I wanted to share was thanks Peter on the amazing deal. Boyne Country Sports, if you don't know them, go check them out. They've got a lot of really good products. A lot of their stuff, I will say and let you know up front, a lot of their stuff's a little spendy. They've got a lot of high quality products in there. So if you're looking for a good winter jacket or snow pants or gloves, whatever it may be, ski socks, really, if you're looking for something like that, go check them out because you won't regret it. Not only did I get those boots, but I've been wearing these Smart Wool socks. Woo! They're comfy. They're really good ski socks. They don't move, they keep you warm. And paired up with these full tilt Descendant 100s, I mean, you literally can't go wrong. They've been great so far. So yeah, go check out Boyne Country Sports. See for yourself. Let me know your thoughts. See ya.